Hey everybody, we've got a little pool accessory to unbox, and then after we unbox it, we're going to go out and see if we can install it and use it. And we'll take you right through the process, one video, soup to nuts. But what we have here, you may recognize these. This are little hooks that you can hang your pool tools on, okay? Little hooks. I'm not sure how these actually work yet. I haven't figured them out, but uh, somehow I think these go on the fence. And I'm not sure what these do. I'm not sure. But we're going to hang it on the fence, and then we're going to put some poles in here and see how they hold up and work. Uh, my initial impression here is that they're very rugged and they're very well made, and there's no metal pieces. So the fact that there's no metal pieces tells me that there's going to be no rusting, and it'll probably have a long life as long as this is a decent grade UV plastic. The company on this is Gulfmew. It says this is a set, do not separate. Gulfmew 2-pack poolside brush and cleaner tool bracket. Okay, so let's cut from this. I'm going to go get set up outside, and we're going to take you through the rest of this. And I've never had these before, and I always thought about buying a set, but we're going to definitely see how these work. Let's get it on. Okay, I have these the materials. Okay, I'm going to hang one right here. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You have to do nothing but hang it on the fence. I don't have to use these back feet or standoffs or anything else. They're not needed in this application that I have. So I'm going to hang one there. I'm just going to come over here and put another one. Very simple, very easy. Now let's get a pole. Down here getting one of my poles. I want to thank Gulfmew for sending me this out, actually. This looks like a pretty nice unit. It looks like it's going to hold 3 different things. So first thing here, we got a hook. Look how good I put that in there. It's almost crazy, right? I'm going to make this just a little closer. Very easy to adjust. I'm just going to move it over a little bit. Put that down. Let me go get my other pole. I'll be right back. This is a little longer pole. And this one we can put right up here. You can put this on the top. And I still have room for a pole in the middle. But rather than standing them up against the fence, it looks like it's going to work out really good. So thumbs up for this particular sponsor sending me this product. How can you not recommend this? This is like a perfect poolside item that put it away, out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. And the nice thing about this is they come off easy, and if I wanted to move it down here, simple to move, right? If I had another pole, which I do, but it's not long enough, I could put it on there. So thank you for sending that out. I really appreciate it. Double thumbs up for this product. Check it out and get yourself one today.